to our channel Wander Away Together. So in this video I'll give you the review and tour of Leh Royal Camps Jaisalmer. So we recently visited Rajasthan for a 1 week trip, and we first went to Jaisalmer to stay at the sand dunes, and we chose Leh Royal Camps for our stay. So once you enter Leh Royal Camp, this is the view you will get. You will see all the camps which are lined up. This is a huge property, and they have big area and they have maintained it quite well. Moving on, you will see different kinds of tents. Some of the tents which are in white color are kind of a royal tent, and some of them standard tents. This is the swimming pool area. So they have built this swimming pool in the middle of the whole property, so it's very easy for everyone to access it, and the swimming pool is very big. And you will find tables and chairs like this everywhere on the property, so that if you want to sit outside and have your tea and coffee, then you can have it. And this is one more look of the swimming pool, which you can see that it's a big swimming pool, and it's very clean. They also have banquet halls, so if you want to book this property for any occasion like marriage or birthday parties, then you can book it for that also. And now coming back to this area, this is the area where our tent is located. So as you can see, they have provided a center a table kind of thing where you can sit and relax. You will also find some chairs outside each tent, so that you can sit outside, take a nice sun bath, or you can have your tea or coffee outside the tent in the morning. And our tent number is 201, which is on the right side. So this is our tent number 201, and they have some couple of chairs for us. This is the room. So once you enter it, this is what they provide, a bed, and this is how the tent looks from inside. The quality is not that great for the tent. I found that there are some holes in the tent which can cause some issue, or maybe some wild insects can walk in. This is a mirror that they provide. This is the AC that they have, and this is how the whole room looks. It's quite beautiful. It's they have everything in the room which you can find. And this is the washroom. So once you enter the washroom is very good, big and clean. So this is what you get in the evening. The live music and song performances are always happening at the evening, and you can have your snacks and drinks, and you can enjoy the songs. So they also provide these comfy beds where you can sit in a relaxed position and watch all the cultural program, dance performances and the songs. all for this video, and if you like the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so that you can get notification for our future videos. Thank you very much for watching.